Unlock the sash lock. Lift the bottom sash halfway. Slide the tilt latches at the top of the sash away from the frame using both hands. Then tilt the sash towards you at a 90-degree angle. Lift one side of the sash slightly to release the tilt pin from the pivot shoe, then remove the sash from the window opening. Insert one tilt pin into the pivot shoe. Tilt the sash down slightly to align the other tilt pin with the pivot shoe and insert it. Bring the sash to a 90-degree angle and lift it into place. Then engage the tilt latches to lock the sash once both tilt pins are secure.